just turned up to Bird Screen Fishery. I am on the top lake at the moment, just having a look around. No one else is here, it's really quiet, which is very unusual, and there are carp all in this little end here. There's over 10 carp. That ripple you can see with one just jumping out looked like a fairly decent common, but I am going to go over into that swim over there, flick one rod down on them reeds and one rod off of that bush, and see where I can get one. So for now I'm going to finish my drink, go get the rods, and see where we can get one. Let's do it. Look at that, all of them. 1, 2, 3, there's at least 4 there. Oh, one of them just swimming off that spot there. There's a decent common down there, but they're all on these reeds. So I'm gonna, oh look at that. There's some good fish down there, some really good fish. Don't know whether the swan's very happy with me. Sort of just sitting there looking at me creepily. But look, there's so many carp. It's just carp. It's like carp everywhere. And then there's swan. And then there's carp. And then there's swan. And then there's carp. Carp. And there's a swan. Well guys, I was fishing up literally half a wrap. Like literally just down. See where I can get it. Just down there. Just over them trees there. And I've been sitting here for about half an hour. Little yellow pop up down the margin, and it's just roared off. Absolutely screamed off. So hooked into it, called my dad round to do the honours with the net, and I have one in the net, a nice common that is probably about mid-double. So I'm incredibly pleased with that. It's my first fish out of it. It's my first proper session fishing here, and yeah, that's just a really good result. I wasn't sure I was going to get one. There were a lot of fish down there, and they kept sort of just making little patches of fizz, little patches of bubbles and stuff like that. And I was seeing the same few fish sitting over my spot, and then one of them's taken it and it's gone. Let you have a look at the fish. Well, I haven't got him out yet, but there he is in the net, a proper nice dark one. Really pleased with that. Really pleased. Alright, we'll get him out, do some photos, and then see whether we can go and find an opportunity for another. Right, so there we go, I've got one, double definitely. We're going to put it on the scales in a minute and see how much it goes, but really pleased with that. It's a nice fish. See how much he weighs. So, got one, 12 and a quarter, wasn't it? 12 and 3 quarters. 12 and a quarter. 12 and a quarter. Did you catch it on? Really nice common. Just on a little yellow pop up. Just really close down in the margin there.
Half a wrap?
Yeah. Love it. Right, cool. Stick back. There you go. Alright, so just as we've released that one, Dad's had a bite just off of a bush down there, and he's now playing a very angry carp. Very angry. We saw it earlier and it looked a bit like a mirror, but we'll have to see. It's going, isn't it? Yeah. Is it really? Oh wow. Nice. That's obviously doing the business then. Can't let it get down that other bush. I told you your spot was good.
That's the spot.
Yeah. Had a bit of bait around that you said, didn't you? Nice. Common, bigger fish size.
Some of the little hooks are yours.
Is it?
Yeah.
What, 6s or 8s?
I don't know, it's quite small.
Might be one of the 8s. I had mine on a 6. I was only fishing 6s. I didn't want to take any chances.
It didn't look very big then, did it? It ain't very big. It's angry.
Very, very angry. Go on, keep it coming. Yes! There we go.
Have a matched it round your swim.
I'll go and get it. That's in there. So there's the fish. That's a nice one, isn't it? So here's the thing. I have about 2 hours left of the session. It's only a short session that I'm going on today. I have about 2¼ hours actually. And in that time, I'm trying to catch one more. And the ones that I was fishing for earlier, back there, they sort of spooked off of the, like right in close in the margin when I caught one and sort of haven't came back in yet. So I've came down to here, literally the opposite end of the lake, to give the fish. Literally, I've got a bait. If I can speak, I have a bait to that margin over there where I've seen some fish. Again, really close in. And I've just got the same single pop-up that seems to be working fine, and I'm just going to give that probably half an hour just to see whether anything is going to happen over there, and if not, I'm going to continue a lap around the lake, see where I can see anything else to fish for. If I can, then I'll hopefully catch some more from somewhere else. But I'm really, really pleased with catching one, 'cause it's my first one out of here, and yeah, it's nice. Already been a good session, but there was one just swirling off there. It's already been a good session, but I might be able to get another one. Let's hope that I can. Okay, so it's just gone 4 o'clock now, so that is the time I'm gonna have to pack up. So I've got my rods out on them same spots, on the same spot that I caught that one earlier, and a spot that's just down the reeds there that I've seen a lot of fish on. I thought I might get another one, but it just sort of didn't really happen. That could be for any number of reasons. I could have sort of spooked them off. I might reel in and have a twig attached to each hook. I don't know, but you know, I'm very, very pleased with catching my first one out of here. Definitely be getting back soon, hopefully later in the week, so maybe I can have another one then. But for now, I'll see you in a bit.